Francesca makes 5 pounds of trail mix. She puts 4 ounces in each bag. She has 20 ounces of trail mix left over. How many bags of trail mix does Francesca make? Okay, looking at this problem, I gotta really understand what it's asking me, because this is a pretty complex problem, or it has a lot of questions to it. So she makes 5 pounds. So she does 4 ounces per bag. $20 left over. And she originally made 5 pounds. Okay, so what I'm thinking I can do to start, or what I know I need to do to start, is I need to switch or convert my pounds to ounces. So I need to convert 5 pounds to however many ounces. Okay, so I'm going from 1 pound. I'm sorry. So I can make a chart that says pounds and ounces. Because I'm going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, I'm going to multiply by 16. Okay, so 1 pound is 16 ounces. 2 pounds is 32 ounces. And all the way to 5 pounds, I would get 80 ounces. So 5 pounds is 80 ounces. So then I can do a part whole to understand exactly what I'm trying to get to. So I know I'm starting with 80 ounces. I know I have 20 ounces left over. And then I don't know how many ounces divided by 4 for the bags. Okay, so those two amounts make up my 80 ounces. So what I'm going to do to start, because I know I have 20 ounces left over, I'm going to take my 80 ounces and subtract it from 20 ounces. Okay, 60 ounces is how many I have per 4 ounce bag. So next, I need to figure out the number of 4 ounce bags if she used 60 ounces. So what I would do is I would divide 60 divided by 4, and that would give us how many bags she uses. So I'm going to set up division. I'm going to do standard algorithm or big 7. Okay, looking at this, I'm going to think of factors or products that I know. So I know 10 times 4 equals 40, so I can subtract 40 and I'll get 20, and that's perfect because I know that 5 times 4 is 20, and then I just add my partial quotients and get 15 bags. So how many bags did she make? 15 bags. Next, it says Mark buys a 3-pound bag of apples. He takes some of the apples and measures the weight of those apples to be 1 pound and 12 ounces. How many ounces of apples are left in the bag? So we need to do 3 pounds to equal how many ounces will be our first step. Then we'll subtract that total by 1 pound and 12 ounces. Okay, so this is another multi-step problem. I'll take that away for right now. So first, let's convert 3 pounds to however many ounces. So what I would do to do that is I can do 3 times 16 because I know 3 pounds equals, because I know 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So 3 times 16 would give me 48. So I have Mark bought 48 ounces of apples. And then it says he measures the weight of the apples that he takes out. That weight was 1 pound and 12 ounces. So I know 1 pound equals 16 ounces, and then I can add those additional 12 ounces to get 28 ounces. So then I will subtract the total, which is not spelled that way, of 48 ounces, and subtract it from the ones he took out. So he took out 28 ounces. How many ounces are left in the bag? 20 ounces. So 20 ounces of apples are left in the bag.